Hello, my dear students. Lecture number 5 for CBSE Board. Chapter number 12 Areas related to circles. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from exercise 12.2, question number 7. Given in a circle with center O, radius R is equal to 12 centimeter, theta is equal to 120 degree, area of sector is equal to theta upon 360, that is 30 upon 360, theta upon 360 into pi r square. So is equal to 120 upon 360 into 3.14 into 12 into 12. Simplify this, you will get 3.14 into 48 is equal to 150.72 cm square. To find area of triangle AOB. Now this is 120 given, and therefore to find this area, it is slightly complicated, so try to understand. Construction. Draw seg AP perpendicular BC. Okay, so this is BC, this is a perpendicular AP. Okay, BO produce. So if you produce this intersect at circle, so this is a BC diameter. In triangle APO, angle P is equal to 90 degree. Exterior angle AOB is equal to 120, and therefore angle PAO plus angle P is equal to angle AOB, exterior angle property of triangle, and therefore angle PAO is equal to 120 minus 90 gives you 30 degree. So this angle is equal to 30 degree. Okay. Angle POA is equal to 60 degree, but sin 60 is equal to AP upon AO and is equal to root 3 upon 2 into is equal to AP upon 12, and therefore AP is equal to 6 root 3 centimeter. So this is AP, this is the height of this triangle, and this is the base, so that you can find the area of triangle AOB. Okay, and therefore triangle area of triangle AOB is equal to 1 upon 2 base into height is equal to 1 upon 2 into OB into AP is equal to 1 upon 2 into 12 into 6 root 3. Simplify this, you will get 36 root 3 centimeter square. Okay, and is equal to here root 3's value is given 1.73, and therefore area of triangle AOB is equal to 62.28 centimeters square. Now area of segment is equal to area of sector minus area of corresponding triangle, and therefore area of segment is equal to area O dash AXB minus area of triangle AOB is equal to A 150.72 minus 62.28 gives you 82.44 centimeters square, and hence area of required segment is equal to 88.44 cm square. Okay. Question number 8. A horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a corner of a square-shaped grass field of side 15 meter by means of a 5 centimeter long rope. Find the area of that part of the field in the which the horse can graze. Number 2, the increase in the grazing area if the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meter. Okay, so find the area of what grazing region. Pi you take 3.14. Okay, so this is a squarish field. Now here the rope is tied. Okay, this is a area. Now this is equal to 15 centimeter is 15 meter is a side of square, and this rope is equal to 5 meters. Okay, in this case horse can graze in sector shaped field having radius 5 centimeter and theta is equal to 90 degree, and therefore area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square, and therefore area of sector is equal to 90 upon 360 into 3.14 into 15 into 15. If you simplify this, you will get 3.14 into 25 upon, this is 5 into 5, so 25 upon 4, and that is equal to 19.625 meters square. And therefore the area of field in which the horse can graze is equal to 19.6625 meter square when length of the rope is 5 meters. Okay, now when length of the rope is 10 meter, area of sector is equal to 90 upon 360 into 3.14 into 10 into 10. So if you simplify this, you will get 1 upon 4 into 314, and if you simplify this, you will get 78.5 meter square, and therefore the area of field in which the horse can graze is equal to 78.5 meters when length of the rope is equal to 10 meters. Okay. Question number 14. Take the correct answer in the following. Area of sector of angle P of a circle with radius R. Okay. Now these are 4 options given. Solution. Theta is equal to P degree, radius is equal to R, and therefore area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square is equal to P upon 360 into pi r square. So this is equal to P upon 360 into pi r square into 2 into 2. So I divide by 2 and multiply by 2. So that is equal to P is equal to, this area of sector is equal to P upon 720 into 2 pi r square. So option D. Okay, option D is this, P into 2 pi r square upon 720. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.